What's up, Mackandmia? I'm back with another freaking video. I'm back with another banger prank, y'all. Team Maya, drop down below right now because today this is going to be a banger. Before I get into this prank today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys have your post notifications on. I'm back and I'm better. Today's prank is I'm gonna be sneezing on Mack. Your girl is out there on the couch sleep. She knocked out, tired. She done worked hard. She's sleeping. I'm finna go out there with this. Look. A spray bottle, and I'ma just all in her face, like act like I'm sick, sneezing, you know, my allergies, cause I really do have allergies, y'all. She hate like being around sick people, like she just, that's disgusting to her. So I'ma just go ahead and sneeze in her face while she's sleeping. We just gonna get a reaction. Let's go. All right, y'all, we got the camera up. Let's go. Oh, I sneezed on you, bro? Fine. I'm sorry. Oh!
Hey!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sneeze on you, bro.
Why would you cut my face to sneeze on me?
I didn't mean to, bro. You just hurt my stomach.
Son, why would you do that?
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. You want me to go get your like rabbit?
Why would you do that?
I didn't mean to. Lay back down. Come on, I'm sorry.
Why would you?
I sneezed, but I went like this, but I didn't know. I was facing towards you. It's
that
alright.
shit scared me on my sleep smile. Why would you do that?
Like, I'm sorry. For I didn't mean to do that. You know I don't play stuff like that. I'm sorry. I'm finna go
Why
get
would you sneeze in my
I'm finna go
face?
get some sanitizer.
I cannot put sanitizer on my face, Samaya.
Put it on your hand.
Why would you do that?
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Here.
What is this gonna do for my
It's
face?
clean
Samaya,
your
this is
hands.
all
You
over
got
my
to,
face.
okay, wipe your face and here.
Samaya, this is not. I should
Like
be
I said, I'm
sorry
sorry.
right now.
No, I said I'm sorry. I didn't.
Why would you do that?
Bro, I didn't mean to.
So why would you sneeze in my face? That's unsanitary as hell.
I was
That's unsanitary.
I was laying down. Listen, I don't feel like doing all yelling. Listen. I was laying down with you, right? I had to sneeze, so look, this is how it happened. Look, because you're not gonna understand. Look. Can you look at me, please? Can you look at me, please? Come on.
Why would you do that?
Like, I didn't mean to do it.
Why would you do that?
Listen to me. I was
Why
laying
would you
down.
do that?
I sneezed.
Why would
I
you
was
do
in
that?
front-
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
You're not even.
Why would
you're
you
not
do that?
listening.
Why
to
would
what
you do
happened.
that?
You're not listening.
Why would you do that?
You're not listening.
Why would you do that?
You're not listening.
How would you feel about sneezing in your face?
Go ahead. Come on.
How would you feel
Because
like
you
that
just like
to you?
spit in my
I didn't
face.
spit. I sneezed.
Alright.
How would you feel?
Alright,
Come on now, how would that
alright.
feel? I'm freaking sleeping, so I could have got up and sneezed.
I'm sorry.
Alright,
Alright,
lay
lay
back
down.
down.
Lay back down. Lay back down. I said I'm sorry.
No, I can't let her down. She just pissed me off. Don't do stuff like
I
that.
didn't mean
You don't
to.
do that. You don't do that. Bruh. Literally, that shit just gave me an instant headache. You literally scared me out of my
Alright.
sleep, bro. You don't do shit like that. That was mad water. How did all that spit even come out your mouth, bro?
Like,
How
bro,
is that?
I was right in front
That's
of you.
hella sneeze. Bruh. I just blew my shit, bro. I
Keep
can't
passing
go to
my
sleep.
arm.
Can you leave me alone?
My charger down.
Can you leave me alone? Can you leave me alone?
Can you pass my charger, please? It should be down now. I think it had fell under the couch last night or something. I'm not sure. Let me actually see, because I think I might have did it over there.
Wait, I don't see the charger.
It should be down, like, you gotta reach underneath the couch.
Smile.
I'm sorry.
I'm about to smack the fuck out of you, bro.
I'm sorry.
Smile.
Mack, I'm sorry.
Smile, get away from me now.
All right.
Get away from me now.
My charger.
Get away from me
my
now. I don't see a charger. You don't do that.
Bro.
You don't do that, bro. That's unsanitary. Why are you sneezing in my face?
I didn't.
Why are you sneezing in my face?
Bro, I didn't. I didn't do it in your face.
You do that on purpose now, somebody. You do it once an accident. You did it again. You're purposely doing it. You got your own gift charger. You want me to bend down and sneeze on my neck, bro. You don't do that.
I'm sorry.
Bro, you're giving me a fucking headache. Oh, I'm about to lose my mind right now. Somebody, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Smile.
I'm getting my own
You
charger.
did it again, Smile. Smile.
I did not. It even came on
you. Smile. Get off my arm and I'm feeling the back of my neck.
All right, I'm just gonna get off the couch. You want me to
Get
get off?
away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me now. Get. All right, Smile. Why would you do that?
All right, bro. All right, bro.
Move.
All right.
Get away from me
All
now.
right.
Cause you're doing this shit on purpose. Get away from me. Bro, my fucking hair. How are you sneezing that much? My scarf is wet. Like how? You doing that shit on purpose? It's not happening. You got so much saliva in your mouth. That shit not funny. Ah!
What?
I bit my fucking gum. Shit not fucking funny.
All right, bro. All right. It just was a prank, bro. It just was a prank.
How was sneezing on me a prank? Smile, that's disgusting. Smile, what the fuck? Sam, stop. Sam, stop. Put vinegar in that bottle. It was vinegar. I was cleaning the cup with that bottle. What are you doing?
For real, bro?
Smile, did you wash that bottle out before you trying to prank somebody?
No.
Oh my fucking gosh. So you're spraying vinegar on me. You're trying to OD on the prank. Stop talking to me.
I got her. That's how mad she was. No, it is stinking here, so I do apologize, Mack. I apologize. Say Team Maya.
Get away from me.
Say it.
Get away from me now.
Say it. Say I
Smile,
won't.
that's vinegar in that bottle.
It already got on you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Turn your post notifications. All right.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
I'm out, bro. I'm out.
Baby girl, yeah, I know how you feeling. We gon' get the money.